this is one of your recordings.
Yeah.
And were the first ones you heard with those Paul Stalls?
The first ones I heard was Roger Payne down in Hawaii when he recorded many years ago.